Hello everybody, I'm going to do really quick makeup tutorial again. So I'm gonna go out today, so I really want to do simple makeup tutorial. I'm not gonna put a lot of makeup. As I do, it's just gonna be really quick tutorial. So I have already moisturized my face. I'm gonna go with my primer. So this primer is like I bought it from I think Amazon from Delhi. So, and this is my Revolution concealer. It's like light concealer. It's like 2-3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I use it usually to highlight my face, but I don't know why am I using this on my eyes. Oh yeah, if I'm doing like colorful eyes, I definitely go with like light concealer, because you know your colors will just pop more. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna blend all the concealer. I've got really like dry skin, you guys, so it's very difficult for me to blend everything in. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette which I got from Delhi. This is like one of the best eyeshadow palettes. The colors are like really pigmented, and yeah, so I'm gonna use like different colors, like orangish, burnt reddish colors, kind of like it looks like pinkish on the camera, but it's all in the reds. I'm going to use the dark brown to blend in the eyeshadow really well. I don't know how to explain, but this is what I'm doing. So after eyeshadow, definitely I go with eyeliner. My makeup is not complete if I don't do eyeliner. Eyeliner is like the must have. It's really important for me. So I'm going to do the winged eyeliner on both my eyes, and then I'm going to use mascara. I don't use mascara to lengthen my lashes. I use it to, clean my lashes, because when I do eyeshadow, there's a lot of fallouts on my lashes. And I'm going to use similar colored kohl pencil on the bottom tight line, because it looks really well that way. Can you see I really like my eyes? I'm not going to do like eyelashes today, so because I absolutely had no time, I was running really late. So I'm using like Elf's concealer. It's kind of like a darkish yellowish concealer. I use it when I'm not using a color corrector. So yeah, I absolutely had no time. I was running really late. So I'm gonna blend in the concealer like so. My makeup in the video totally looked like so yellow. Is because I actually used dark shades, and on top of that the sunlight was directly on my face. I really like sunlight. I mean, I enjoy sun, because in the country where I live, that you don't see sun that often. It's like really cold country. So yeah, whenever I see sunlight, I really want to sit next to the sun, just to have some vitamin D. So I'm using this foundation. It's like Fit Me foundation. I'm gonna use 2 different shades because I can actually never find my own shade, no matter what brand is. I think I need to do a little more makeup shopping and find something which matches my skin really well. But I've got too many foundations already, so I want to finish them all off, and then I'm gonna go with like new makeup products, because makeup is so expensive. Yeah, you guys, it's like really expensive. So I just don't want to spend money like that without if I don't utilize my products, I'm just actually wasting money. So yeah, I don't like to waste money. That's why I'm gonna finish off all the makeup products I have. It won't make any sense. So as you can see, my face looks so yellow. Like, can you see? It looks like I put turmeric on my face because of the sunlight. And I'm gonna lighten my skin with like light concealer. So this concealer is like a highlight concealer. I use it to lighten my makeup, because I usually go dark, like dark 1 or 2 shades, and then I lighten with light concealer. Because if I go light with my makeup, then it's so difficult to get it dark, and I don't have a bronzer. So yeah, I would rather go dark and lighten my skin with the concealer. I'm gonna use this press powder. It's by the brand MUA. I really like the brand. I mean, they have really good quality stuff. I think even my eyeshadow is not this one. I have another eyeshadow palette. It's like really good eyeshadow palette, and I think it's from the same brand. So this brand is amazing. So I'm gonna use Revlon's blush. This is definitely not for dark skin people. I don't know why the hell I bought that. Anyways, this shimmery, what is this called, highlighter. So I think it's also from MUA brand. MUA brand is like really best, and it's so affordable, and I got everything from Superdrug. And I'm gonna use this kajal which I got from Temu, and I'm gonna use it to paint my eyebrows. So after painting my eyebrows, I'm gonna take lip liner from Maybelline. I don't know the name of the shade. I'll tell you next time, or you can just ask me in the comments down below. I'm gonna reply you. And I'm gonna use this lipstick. I don't know the name of the brand. If you wanna know, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm gonna use NYX lipstick over that to, you know, balance the color. I don't like too much color on my lips, that's why. So this is I can't speak today. This is the finished product. I really hope you liked it. And if you want to see more of such videos, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye, everybody. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.